Here are 5 easy food recipes to make at home. 1 pot pasta. This recipe is quick, easy, and only requires 1 pot, making cleanup a breeze. Simply combine pasta, tomatoes, garlic, onion, and water in a pot and bring to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer until the pasta is cooked and the sauce is thickened, then stir in some fresh basil and grated Parmesan cheese. Sheet pan fajitas. This recipe involves minimal prep work and can be customized to suit your taste preferences. Simply toss sliced bell peppers and onions with olive oil, chili powder, cumin, salt, and pepper, then arrange them on a sheet pan. Add sliced chicken or beef to the pan and bake until everything is tender and golden. Chickpea curry. This recipe is vegan, gluten-free, and packed with flavor. Simply sauté onion, garlic, and ginger in oil, then add canned chickpeas, coconut milk, curry powder, and salt. Simmer until the flavors meld together, then serve with rice or naan bread. Caprese salad. This recipe is perfect for summer, when fresh tomatoes and basil are abundant. Simply slice ripe tomatoes and fresh mozzarella cheese, then arrange them on a platter with fresh basil leaves. Drizzle with olive oil and balsamic vinegar, then sprinkle with salt and pepper. Avocado toast. This recipe is easy, healthy, and endlessly customizable. Simply toast a slice of bread, then top with mashed avocado and your favorite toppings, such as sliced tomato, feta cheese, sliced hard-boiled egg, or a sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning. Thanks for watching.